Got a cool new product we want to review. This is a BCM adapter that turns the existing lights in your vehicle into flashing lights similar to ones on emergency vehicles. So fleet managers, this is a great low-cost solution to your roadside vehicles. And for you guys that just like to have cool stuff, stay tuned. Hey, what's up? Josh here from Breaker Stereo and Performance. Now, welcome to our channel that reviews all the best in car audio, performance, suspension, and more. We don't drop stock, and if you're like us where stock just doesn't cut it, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so first off, let's cover the make, model, and pricing for these units. Now, this part is made by a company called ZZ2 with headquarters based in Florida for all us US viewers, and they have locations in South America and Europe. Now, the name of this product is called Z-Wags, and there are several different models. And these are mainly made for trucks and utility vehicles, but there are a few cars that are covered. These are made for the big three American vehicle manufacturers, so GM, Ford, and Chrysler, and these are for newer vehicles starting from 2013 on up. Now, we'll leave links in the description below taking you to the product pages so you can see if your vehicle is covered. Also, the retail price of these units range from $269 to $449. But keep in mind, these are plug and play units, and installation time is a fraction of what it would normally be for emergency lights. And if you're someone who's somewhat handy, you can definitely handle this yourself. Okay, let's check out what's in the box. All right, so of course you have your module here. So it's relatively small in size. And then on this vehicle, which is going to be for 2017 Chevy Silverado, this is the GM module, or one of the GM modules, okay? So as you can see, it's in and out, okay? And then you have the other plug that's gonna plug into the module like this. All right, and it comes with this last harness that plugs into the box. Now, these loose wires right here give you the ability to have accessory lights on this. So let's say you have a beacon light or you want to add some other lights around the vehicle, you can hook those lights up to this module and control it as well. This does have a button on this, and what this button does is it activates the lights, but you can also activate the lights by holding the high beams in for 5 seconds. Also, I wanted to note that there are some dip switches on the back of this unit, and in the manual, it'll tell you exactly what they do. But for the most part, it allows you to either select or deselect the high beams and also allow you to select or deselect the reverse wire. Because on some vehicles, if you tag in the reverse wires, and let's say you have a backup camera, it'll trigger that camera. So you don't want that. Okay, let's take this out to the bay and plug it in and check it out. So after you get to the vehicle and open the door, you're gonna wanna wait 5 minutes before working on the vehicle. So this is a 2017 Chevy Silverado, and the plugs are gonna be underneath the dash. And we're looking for the 4 plugs, so we have the white, the gray, the blue, and the pink. And these are gonna simply plug into those. So you're gonna unplug, plug into the new harness, and then plug right back in. And then from here, you're gonna plug into the module. All right, so as you can see, we got it installed. You got them working, it's flashing the high beam, the low beam, the running light, the corner light, the signal, and also the fog lights here. So what makes this cool is normally when we do emergency lights, you have to either do one of two things. Either you have a light that mounts, on the outside, on the bumper, or in the back, on the tailgate. It's using the lights that are already existing. So that'll definitely save tons of time. Let's go and check out the rear real quick. All right, so we're strobing the brake light and the running light, along with the reverse light and the tail light. And then we also have on the third brake light, the reverse lights, and also the cargo light. Now on this particular truck, we opted to hook up to the rear. On the module, we actually selected the reverse lights, and it is not triggering the backup camera, so we're gonna leave it as is. So I opted not to install that button because I got a lot of things going on already in this vehicle. The way that you're able to control the module is actually through the signal and also the high beams. So in order to activate it, you have to hold the high beams for 5 seconds. So in this case, on the column, I'm pushing the lever towards me for 5 seconds. Okay, and then now it's going. So it's blinking. That's the pattern that's going on right now. If I want to change the pattern, what you do is you activate the turn signal, hold the high beams for another 5 seconds. It's going to flash the hazards once to let you know that's pattern number 1. If I want to go to pattern number 2, disactivate the signal, activate the signal again, hold down for 5 seconds, and now it's gonna blink twice, 1, 2. All right, so that's pattern number 2, and then so on and so forth. And if you want to turn it off, simply hold the high beams for 5 seconds, and that'll disactivate it. Okay, so if you're interested to see if this will fit in your vehicle, make sure to check the description below. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the review on this product. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you later.